Hello, my name is Ayush Srivastava of class 10th of MRV Model School of Dwarka Sector 13 of New Delhi. Physics help us to find the reasons of the various phenomena causing in our environment in physical world. Physics has helped us to know the reasons of various phenomena happening in our environment, whether it is lightning, whether it is electric induction. And now I would like to record with the essence of the physics. In recent years of physics have been improvement in various infrastructure, like whether it is building of hydroelectric projects, setting up solar electric powers, and all these infrastructure projects have been successfully due to the use of physics and mathematics and its various fields. Now there is a one hydroelectric project set up in Sikkim, which is Jorthang Loop Hydroelectric Project, which is located on Ranjit River, a tributary of the Teesta River, located in South Sikkim district of Sikkim in India. Sikkim is one of the happiest state in India. This dam hydroelectric project has built by Dams Energy Private Limited with the collaboration of state and central government. A very high amount of money was assigned to make this Jorthang Dam, which is 1182 crore rupees. It produces energy 96 megawatt, or you can say 1,29,000 horsepower, or we can say that it is annually produces 243.03 gigawatt per hour, or we can say that 443.03 into ratio 10 raised to the power of 6 kilowatt per hour. You will be surprised to know that its per capita income, the electricity consumption in Sikkim is 687 kilowatt hour annually, and total energy used by Sikkim in the form of electricity is 1249 gigawatt hour annually. It is inaugurated on the 29th October of 2015. Now I would like to tell how electricity produced in that dam. We know that it grows a lots of water in its reservoir, and in rainy season the reservoir gets full by water. The energy produced by dam is initially stored in the form of kinetic energy in water of the reservoir in dam. Then there is a penstock act as a canal in dam. You can see the inside structure of hydropower plant. This is attached in reservoir. There is a control kit reservoir. When reservoir gets controls the flow of water, we know that as the depth increases of water, the control gates gradually open the fills the gaps. And when at the end of penstock there is a one turbine, the fast moving water rotates this turbine at a very high speed, where it is connected to the generator through shaft. Or you can say that an axle. Now you can see when the water reaches to penstock, its flowing power is enough to rotate the turbine generator through a shaft. You can see the inside structure. You can assume the height of this and the size of the machine in comparison to the man given in picture. Now there is a one transformer connected to the generator. With the transformer work is to change the voltage and in height and current and vice versa. Then the energy produced by dam is supplied to the power houses through power lines, and that from power houses is supplied to the houses of public or the industries for the domestic uses and industrial purposes. Here you can see the information of the Teesta River Bridge. Now this is the picture of the Teesta River Bridge built on the embankment of Teesta River. I wanted to tell you how this bridge can load the heavy weight. How load is distributed in this bridge equally. There is a keystone. When the pressure is on keystone or this rock or in this structure is this place, the load is distributed on the bridge and ghost structure made in the embankment. And this is why this type of bridge preferred to make in small village and small rivers. But if the bridge is long, we have to make armed bridges, because vertical support is needed for long bridges. Now this is the time to discuss education in Sikkim because it is the most pivotal role in development of the people, state and India as well. In Sikkim, the literacy rate is 82.2% in males, and in females it is 76.43% according to the census of 2011.